Hi, my name is Roger Gales, and I want to help you learn to lay luxury vinyl plank like a pro, even though you're an amateur, a do-it-yourselfer. I want to start by showing you the tools that you'll need. Okay, here's what we've got in that little toolkit. This is for compacting, bringing two tiles closer together at the end. Second thing you'll get in the kit is this block, and there's nothing special about it, but I'll tell you what I hate. This little notch here is meant to be helpful, but it destroys luxury vinyl plank tongue and groove. Spacers, you get a whole bunch of spacers in the toolkit. They're very helpful for putting a 1/4 inch space between the plank and the wall. Here are the other things that I have in my little toolkit. Brush, mandatory, gotta have one of these. A square, and very helpful for cutting. Measuring tape, basic hammer. A lot of people use a mallet, that's fine, I prefer not to. And a spray book. 5-in-1, 10-in-1, I don't know, people have different names for it. I have sandpaper, some other things in there, but those are the basics. But I'll tell you the most important tool for the guy who's laying plank, knee pads. Get yourself a good pair of knee pads, because you'll be on them a long time. You also need a pen for marking. I prefer a Sharpie. For cutting, you'll need a box knife and at least a jig saw. And here's a complete list of the tools that you'll need. Good luck with your project, and stay tuned for more videos.